What's going on, you guys? Happy June the 16th to everyone out there. And because today is my birthday, my sister sent me something special, like a package. I think it's food. She said it's food, so but I don't know what exactly is in here. So let's just open the package, see what she got in there. Open it right now. Mm, strong, super strong, buddy. Torrid. I'm just horrible at this. So I told you a white box in here. Let's go. Okay, so let's open this. See what we got. This is strong. This is pretty. How high is this box? I can't even tell. I'm pretty sure. Now I know what it is in here. What's the company? At the cake shop. Ooh, a nut-free establishment. 613-721-9062. She got me some cake. How sweet of her. I don't even know how to open this. Stupid, that's what I am. Anyway. Okay, now I know. Okay, here. Here's the tapes. Right here. Okay, these tapes. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. This is. Aww. I'm gonna show this to you right now. Where's my phone? I gotta bring my phone in here. Oh, that's so nice of her. Thank you, Liliu. Thank you. Okay, so here is the cake, and I don't know what to tell you. This is perfect. This is a perfect present from my little sister. Thank you very much. I love Kit Kat. Kit Kat is like my family favorite. And then my name is there. What else do you need? Oof, and it's chocolate cake or what? My God, I wonder how much she spent on this. Jeez, this is very nice. Thank you very much, girl. Really appreciate this gesture. Really appreciate it. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. So the proper Bangla term for cake is pishtok. So this is poroshikar P, Mudinasho সংযুক্ত ট, ক, pishtok. Once again, this is poroshikar P, Mudinasho সংযুক্ত ট, ক, pishtok. But for some reason, Bangladeshis just use cake as the Bengali equivalent. I don't know why. Maybe it's just easy to call it cake, or maybe pishtok is just too difficult to pronounce or to just say it. I have no idea, but that's that. So in conclusion, I just want to say thank you very much to my little sister. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and yeah, keep sending me more presents.